It's a new 2026 Acura ADX, a dynamic performer, an elevated ride, the perfect way to be spirited to your destination. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Continuously variable automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Acura believes if there is a better way, take it. That philosophy shines through in this vehicle. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
We believe the cars we offer are the highest quality and ideal for your life needs. We look forward to doing business with you. Bradshaw Acura at 2450 Lawrence Road,